Looking to improve your LinkedIn profile but not sure where to start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First, let's talk about your profile picture. It's crucial to have a professional, close up photo with a neutral background. Avoid headwear, sunglasses, or anything too casual. If you're unsure about your picture, use a tool like PhotoFeeler to get feedback on its effectiveness. Next, don't forget to update your background image. A customized background helps make your profile stand out and gives a more professional look. Now, focus on your headline. It should be more than just your job title. Include keywords related to your skills and experience that people might search for. This makes your profile easier to find and gives it a stronger impact. Then, write a strong summary. Briefly explain your skills and strengths and how you can help others. Be sure to include any social proof like links to your website, blog, or even YouTube videos. Adding external media to your summary is easy and can make your profile more engaging. Finally, keep your LinkedIn profile updated and professional, and you'll be ready to stand out in the world of business networking. If you found this video helpful, please like, and for more tech vids like this, subscribe to my channel. Catch you later.